Hello guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are brand new here. Today I've got a bit of a disaster clean on my hands. As you can see, my house is a bit of a state, so I've just got to go around, give it a good tidy and go in and give it a good clean and just get it ready for the day. I am also sharing another cleaning hack with you today, so do make sure that you stick around until the end of today's video so I can show you the results. I absolutely love this hack and I'm going to be using it all the time moving forward, so do make sure that you stick around for that, and let's just jump straight into today's video. So I wanted to start off in the kitchen on this day. As you can see, it's a complete mess and I can barely even see the kitchen sides. So I just wanted to go in, get rid of all of the rubbish, do the washing up and just get it nice and clean. I didn't get round to doing the washing up after dinner the night before, which is just the story of my life lately. I've not really been keeping on top of it as much as I should. So I need to go in and sort all of that out and just have a nice fresh kitchen. I always find that it motivates me to carry on and do the rest of the house when the kitchen's done. And I always feel really unmotivated and just sluggish and not really in the mood to do anything when the kitchen's a mess. So that's always the room that I want to start with if it's the messiest, because it just helps me keep going and just get everything else done.
Maybe I'm going crazy for you. I'm outdated, never burns too much. Maybe I'm going hazy for you. It's like I wanna get shut and glued in over my grave. I'm gonna get played, but you make me go na 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 na, like I'm under your feet, so screwed. I'm gonna get smashed, I want it so bad. I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from...
So I always feel so much better as soon as the washing up's done, because that's always what takes the longest. So as soon as that's done, I know that I can just whiz round, put everything away that needs to go away and just sort out any more rubbish that's lying around, and then I can just go in and give everything a good clean and a good wipe over. And it always takes half the time of the washing up, so whenever that's done I know that I'm at least halfway through to having a nice fresh kitchen, which just sets me up for the day. So once I have done that, I'm just going to use the flash spray and wipe down all the sides just to make sure they're disinfected, getting rid of any crumbs and everything, and just getting them nice and fresh.
this might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say you need you and you head the direction.
So before I go in and clean down the sink, I just wanted to show you a quick hack that my mother-in-law actually told me about yesterday to get rid of all of the stains inside mugs. I mean, look how bad that is. You've probably seen me use this one a million times and you can definitely tell from the inside. These ones have little marks in as well that I'm going to try and get rid of. Don't think that one's too bad, but again, it could do with a little bit of TLC. And normally I do just use bleach, but for some reason I do feel a little bit uncomfortable putting bleach inside cups that we drink out of. So she told me that all you need is some washing powder and some boiling water. So I did try it with one of these pods the second that she told me, because we don't use powder, we have these pods, but they work exactly the same way. So if you do use these pods, don't worry about it, it still works. So just pop one of these into each cup that you want and pour over the boiling water. And for some reason there is something really satisfying about watching it all dissolve. But all you have to do is pour it over and it literally makes your whole house, or your whole downstairs anyway, smell amazing. And when she first told me, I did think that it would just make the kitchen smell nice. I didn't actually expect it to make the whole front room smell good, but it really does. So all you have to do is pour it on and let it work its magic, and it smells beautiful. Tip it away, rinse them out, and I will show you what it looks like afterwards.
You get it, but all alone. And you're always staring at your phone. You need another quick relief. We all need a turn and leave. Oh baby, this time will be gone forever. Never in a lifetime will you see us back here again. So come before it's too late. Hurry now, 'cause I can't wait. Let's put on our anthem. We'll be singing all night long, all night long. Oh, 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 yeah. Too many fishes in the stream. And down the boulevard of broken dreams. So we'll make a little change in pace. A minor shift of time and space. Oh baby, this time will be gone forever.
So once I had all the sink cleaned out, it was time to go in and just clean down all the cupboards and everything using the 𝚂𝚂 and hot water. And I really do want to pick up some more 𝚂𝚂s, even though I know that I've got an abundance in the cupboard. It's always the ones that I'm not too fond of that are left. So I need to pick up another bouquet because that one was absolutely gorgeous and it just smells like fresh flowers. So I definitely want to get some more of that for summertime. But at the moment I'm using the summer berries, which just smells so fruity and fresh, so I do really like this one. But there are a few left in there that I think are just going to stay until I've completely run out of everything else. But yeah, the bouquet one is definitely the one that I want to get for summer.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our
So I just wanted to show you a quick close-up of the floor because I know from a distance it can look clean, but it was anything but. It was so gross on this day. Cinnabon's hay just gets kicked everywhere and all of his bedding and everything, it just gets thrown around. So I needed to go in and give it a good sweep up using the dustpan and brush first. I always do that when there's a lot on the kitchen floor because my hoover does tend to bat it around a little bit when it's on the hard floor. So I just wanted to go in and sweep that up and then I can go in and hoover it all down later.
It goes up, won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is still.
So it was now time to head through into the front room and sort this mess out, put all the furniture back and everything. I had an awful night the night before. I had serious stomach cramps and honestly I was just a complete hormonal mess. So Rob, bless his heart, pulled the chair out for me because I was moaning that I couldn't see the TV even though I sit there every day without a problem. But like I said, I was just a bit of a hormonal mess the night before. So he got the chair out for me. He got me a footstool with a blanket and also got me a hot water bottle. He really took care of me and I'm so grateful for him. So it's now time to put everything back. Now I'm feeling more myself and just get it looking put together, ready for the day. So I should have put the white blanket and the cushion covers in the wash when I did my spring clean, and I'm not really sure why I didn't get around to doing that, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that now before I carry on in the front room, just tidying it up so I can go in and give it a nice hoover and a dust and just get it nice and clean. I'm really glad that I brought this rug back downstairs. I've actually really missed having it downstairs, and Cinnabon is being neutered in 2 weeks time. Hopefully they don't cancel on us again and we can actually get him in and sort it out so the rug can stay for now. He should have all of his hormones settle down 2 weeks after the procedure. So in about a month's time, hopefully we don't have a bitey rabbit anymore and he's just more loving, but we'll have to wait and see because he's just getting naughtier and naughtier by the day at the minute. So we are literally counting down the days until we can take him to the vet, but hopefully it comes around quick. But now I'm just going to whiz round, give everything a good dust and go over with the hoover, and then I can show you the results of the cleaning hack.
Do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight.
So I've now come back to these and it's time to tip them away. Now they're cold. I've left them in there for about 3 hours, I think. It's been a few hours, so they've definitely had time to do their thing. So I'm just going to tip them away and show you the results.
If I would till it's end, nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got
I just love how well this works. I did leave it in 4 hours, so just put it in the morning and then rinse out in the afternoon or evening if you want to keep it in all day. But it just makes the whole downstairs smell amazing as well. So it is just a quick air freshener as well as cleaning the mugs. So I do definitely recommend this way of doing it. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and I will see you back here in the next one.